Hello people, what you doing? In this video let's talk about how to get sudo and Debian 10 and some older versions too. As you know, Linux community is relatively small, so it's tough to figure out some basic things. I'm here to help new and even the advanced users that need help, because Linux is way more powerful than any other OS, living or dead. To start with the process, open the Linux terminal or console, whatever you call it. Okay, now type su and the password to get into su. That's the last time you're getting into it. Now type apt-get install sudo. Enter. I'm not pressing enter because I already have it. And the next command, sbin adduser ush. Replace it with username and then sudo. And if you have Debian 9 or older, this was the Debian 10 command. If you have 9 or older, use this command instead. Adduser username. Sorry, the username. Yeah, sudo. And yeah, with this we are done. I think you'll have to log off to see the changes. If the sudo command doesn't work, put it in the comments and we'll try to solve it out. Well, thanks for watching.